Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Sherry Stancil, and I am thrilled to have you join me in this web-based communication course. As your instructor, I'm here to guide you every step of the way and to ensure you have all of the tools you need to succeed. From day one, you'll have full, free access to all of the course materials, seamlessly housed within our learning management system. That means no extra cost, no waiting for books. Everything is right here for you, ready to go. So let's take a quick look at what you're waiting for.
Modules consist of a variety of features to engage and guide you through the learning process. Lessons created in RISE replace traditional textbooks and ebooks typically provided by third-party publishers. These interactive lessons are customized specifically for this course to keep you engaged. A typical lesson might include a slide deck to introduce key concepts such as interpersonal conflict, a timeline to recall important facts, plus dynamic graphics just like this one, and even scenarios to help you apply what you've learned in real-world contexts. Articulate Storyline Interactives replace external publisher surveys, providing customized tools to gauge concepts like speech anxiety levels and communication styles. Another course authoring tool used in this course is Genially. It adds an extra layer of interactivity with visually stunning graphics that explore topics like deceptive communication. Next, weekly Camtasia videos bring the topic to life with real-world examples and professional visuals to enhance learning. Beyond Animations illustrate key points with creative visuals and animations to make complex ideas easier to understand. Instructor-created videos are also uploaded to Kaltura, allowing for seamless integration of interactive quizzes directly into the Canvas LMS. And that's not all. Canva is used to create visually compelling graphics such as infographics and study aids that are tailored to support your learning. Additionally, designer flipbooks provide interactive, page-turning resources that make reviewing concepts like communication styles both engaging and easy to navigate. Text in this course is anything but boring. For example, HTML content provides a foundation for each topic, just like this page on communicating across cultures. Interactive pages combine text, images, and media to create dynamic micro-learning experiences. And tables are used to break up dense text and organize information, such as side-by-side comparisons of workplace attire. And last but not least, a customized chatbot is available to assist you throughout the course. Whether you have questions about assignments, due dates, or course materials, the chatbot provides instant support, guiding you to the answers you need, right within the Canvas LMS.
Take a moment to explore our course materials and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So let's make this a great semester together. See you in Canvas.